Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your GoPro Lit Hero. As you can see right here, I have the GoPro Lit Hero, and let's try to reset it by sliding down from the top of your screen, going to the right side and going to preferences, then go to the reset option, and now you can find factory reset. Tap on reset and that will reset your device, so it will go back to its out of the box state. As you can see, it is there. It is now starting, and you can set it up again or sell it, and that may troubleshoot some issues or let you sell your camera in the out-of-the-box state. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.